Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the amazing world of AI-generated video. We'll be sharing the top 4 AI tools available for commercial use that can convert a simple image into a full-length video. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Tool number 1, MyHeritage AI. The first tool on our list is MyHeritage AI. You can animate your old family photos using this tool. To do this, you need to register on their platform using your email or Google account. After creating your account, just upload your photo to their platform and let them work their magic. Now just click on the download button to download the video that this AI tool has just created. Here is the result from MyHeritage. And that's not all. They also have a bonus trick up their sleeves to keep you entertained. Watch this magic trick by hovering on photos and selecting the deep story option. Just upload the image you want to animate. After this, fill in the person's details and click next. Now here you can add your own script that you want the character to speak. You can also change the voice options by clicking this button right here. After everything is set, just click on Create a Deep Story and grab your cup of coffee while they prepare a magical video for you. Here is the final result that they have generated for us.
Hi, I'm Kennedy John. Here is my deep story.
Tool number 2, Cutout.pro. The second tool on our list is Cutout.pro. This tool has a photo animator option that is absolutely mind-blowing. Just upload your desired image and let the AI work its magic for you. You can choose your output by selecting different options available in the exemplar menu. Once you're satisfied with the output, just click on download to get your video. Here's the result from this website. Tool number 3, LeiaPix AI. The third tool on our list is LeiaPix AI. This tool is super easy to use, and all you have to do is register on their platform with your email or Google account. You will find the registration link in this video description. After complete registration, just open convert.leipix.com. Now just upload your image by clicking on the upload button at the top. Now you'll see 6 options on the left that you can play with and tune them up to get your desired image here. Let me change some of these attributes and show you how you can change the video result. You can even play around with the depth map to get even better results. And when you're ready, just click on the share button to download your video. Here's the final result. It's absolutely astonishing, isn't it? Tool number 4, Kyber AI. The fourth and final tool on our list is Kyber AI. In our opinion, this is the best tool available right now. To get started, just register using your email account and click on the Create Your First Video button to open their AI editor. Now upload your image here and click on Continue. Over here you can select what you want the video to be about and the style you want the video to follow. I have chosen a pretty random style here to see what kind of result do I get. Once you have selected these 2 options to your desired input, click on Continue. Now here select the duration for your video and set the evolve value to 0 if you want the video to be exactly similar to the image and feel real. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating your final video. Here's the phenomenal result we got from this website. We hope you enjoyed this video on the top 4 AI tools available for commercial use that can convert a simple image into a full-length video. These tools are game changers and are going to change the way we create videos forever. Let us know in the comments which tool was your favorite, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. See you in the next one.